high grade. Them like a generator vibrate. Them a later than a feather lightweight. Me go impatient, I can't wait. Somebody pony yard must hit naughty.
No, y'all know the vibes. We don't have to talk about it no.
Reaction.
Boom, what's the word to Mr. Boy Terror aka the reaction boss? And I'm back in effect. Yes, I know, finally, with another reaction for you guys. We have a song from UncoJingJong. The song is called Ramping Shop. Featuring what? Did I not do this reaction already? Hold on. Honestly, go through the comment section, people. You see me? And I say, yo, I'm gonna get reacted like 5 songs right now back to back of what I'm gonna be commenting, you see me? But I feel like we did a reaction already that I'm not lying to you. Let me double check the mathematics real quick. Right. So that's all. That's when I start the Jingjongs, dancing. Now do that. Oh, so we never do it. Alright then, bets. Leave a like on the video. Please drop a comment or some more song you want to see me react to. Follow me on Instagram. It's right here. Follow me on TikTok at TagReacts also. I see a TikTok account been posting my videos from Kenya. I'm like, what I go on, you see me? But yeah, big up to you. You see me? I say, but they can tag me in the video still in that. But now like they could tag me in that. But big up yourself. Look at see what I go on still. UncoJingJong, Ramping Shop. Run tune. Let's go.
How big the biz go dog a gamma, how Keiysha.K.
Come in with the old school dancer flow and like, well, a video recently I say, so I get some different type of vibes in the video already.
How big the biz go dog a gamma, how Them a jump to me rock high grade. Them a like a generator vibrate. Them a later than a feather lightweight. Me go impatient, I can't wait. Somebody pony yard must hit naughty.
No, y'all know the vibes. We don't have to talk about it no more, don't. Y'all know the vibes already, don't. Just subscribe to the channel real quick. Hold on.
Generator vibrate. Them a later than a feather lightweight. Me go impatient, I can't.
Man said I'm later than a feather lightweight. What him say? Hold on. We don't want to understand. We just want to analyze real quick.
The lightweight. Me go impatient, I can't.
Yeah, right there, so. Alright, go on, what's saying now?
Can't wait, somebody pony yard must hit naughty. Work hit says ya chakwa great. Nime shot take cover mneza migrate. Yo. Easy. Bend down back stop them rap party.
You just say yes, yeah? Like skilly bag. Am I tripping? Hola.
Nime shot take cover mneza migrate. Yo. Easy. Bend down back stop them rap party. Open up your leg then you can pan it. Make a shake like a tectonic. Girl a fake dick name for she demand it. Make a bust out not when she bounce pan it. Pan it. She wanna keep it pretty quick. So me call a sani. Approach it good.
No, this that one now is it. I'm like the more recent video to them G because I wanna have more. Is it me? I say more than the previous one that we react to. We're not gonna lie.
Pan it. She wanna keep it pretty quick. So me call a sani. Approach with caution, pussy fat. Do you see them chicks in a booty shot? Find girl with a big bumper, me a rumpa, bumbo clutch each position. She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping shop. She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping shop. Approach with caution, pussy fat.
Remember that part one more time. Make up yourself in a Jingjongs. Go on.
Girl with a big bumper, me a rumpa, bumbo clutch each position. She go through terms and conditions before she
bumbo clutch switch position. Go on.
So me call a sani. Approach with caution, pussy fat. Do you see them chicks in a booty shot? Find girl with a big bumper, me a rumpa, bumbo clutch each position. She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping shop. She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping shop. Approach with caution, pussy fat. Do you see them chicks in a booty shot? Find girl with a big bumper, me a rumpa, bumbo clutch each position. She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping shop.
Me nah lie because that's seriously that like a boss a kiss for that right like I have to say but bro start looking at me so that brother look at me so for that no hold on yeah I don't start I said too close to that to all of them because I swear say that gonna bust out the gum to blood clean. Go on.
Bumper me a rumpa, bumbo clutch each position. She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping shop. She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping shop. Money. Them girl them sit like hand. Go through terms and conditions before.
You see, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 brother them right there, so them know exactly what going on at the scene and that's yeah, they me. Yeah, everybody's a well vibe and I miss this one say, you know what? Go on!
Romping money. Them girl, them sit like honey. Like sugar, big spoon ya skari. I'm addicted to punani. Don't go serious, shit ain't funny. Kicheza kiwewe neza piga confirm. Kicheza kiwewe neza
I'm making for say women I say no one hold it in a dog.
I'm addicted to punani. Don't go serious, shit ain't funny. Kicheza
Yeah, me G. Come here, I said the whole women said no man, I grab nothing. Like I want to go on like on the afraid height. One let her control it all the way, me G.
kiwewe neza piga confirm. Kicheza kiwewe neza piga confirming. Kan kukulima, maybe a pumping darling.
Na kama light nataka kushine sana in the night. Flight attendant jama fore na kuwanga sky high. Na mkidemand apology kwa hapa kwambia siko sorry, noti kwanza mikono zikikuwa kwa thigh. Nyimkidem tumfani nataka mwenye anatoa ganji na mpepetea hadi chini kwake mini mtu mbabli. Ananita miss unholy but he like it missionary. Ananita miss unholy but he like it missionary. This time wakitupa mdomo hakuna kucheza chini. This time wakitupa mdomo hakuna kucheza chini. This time wakitupa mdomo hakuna kucheza chini. This time wakitupa
Hold on, that look kind of fruity in a G.
hakuna kucheza chini. This time wakitupa mdomo hakuna kucheza chini. This time wakitupa mdomo hakuna kucheza chini.
Approach with caution, pussy fat. Do you see them chicks in a booty shot? Find girl with a big bumper, me a romper, bumbo clutch each position. She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping shot. She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping.
My boy is DJ. You gonna see what I go on? Pre.
Terms and conditions before she enter romping shot. She go
My boy a DJ, man. Turntable settings. You see what I go on? Yeah, go on.
terms and conditions before she enter romping shot. Approach with caution, pussy fat. Do you see them chicks in a booty shot? Find girl with a big bumper, me a romper.
That's an approach with caution, pussy fat. Find girl with that big bumper. Bumbo climb me a Swiss position before she enter ramping shot. What the blood clot? Go on, hold on.
Approach with caution, pussy fat. Do you see them chicks in a booty shot? Find girl with a big bumper, me a romper, bumbo clutch each position. She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping shot. She go through terms and
This man just blood clot that you want a while ago.
bumbo clutch each position. She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping shot.
My boy just hit the dirty wine now. Blood clot push up. Blood clot. Go on.
She go through terms and conditions before she enter romping shot. Money. Them girl, them sit like honey, like sugar, big spoon ya skari. I'm addicted to punani. Don't go serious, shit ain't funny. Kicheza kiwewe neza piga confirming. Kicheza kiwewe neza piga confirming. Kan kukulima, maybe a pumping darling.
That is it. That is it right there. You know the vibe already. As usual, I big up UncoJingJong. I think her name is Keiysha. I ain't gonna lie, you got that name there. You see me? But anyways, big up myself as usual. I'll go soon another video. As I said, I do a bunch of videos right now. I'm gonna edit them. I'm gonna post one every day for you. You see me? So be consistent. So guess what? I'll see y'all in another video tomorrow. Or you can check out the other channel, Tag Reacts, where I'm gonna post what is every day also. So if you watch that one, go over Tag React, go watch it today. You can watch 2 videos in one day, though. Anyways, peace.